In the last problem, we let u equal the natural log function. And again, anytime there's a natural log function, that's always the substitution you want to make because we can't integrate the natural log function without integration by parts. So u will always be that natural log function. The next thing to look for is, do we have a power function? If we have a power function, then typically u is going to end up being that power function. And if we have an exponential, e raised to some power, then dv is going to be that exponential function and then dx, or whatever that original variable is that we're integrating with respect to. So we'll work through this problem. We'll apply integration by parts, but then what we're going to see is that the first iteration of integration by parts doesn't allow us to get to the answer that we're after. So it's going to take a second iteration then to get to that final answer. So what we have is u equals x squared. So du equals 2x dx. dv equals e to the 2x dx. So v is going to be 1/2 e to the 2x. So we're going to have x squared times 1/2 e to the 2x minus the integral of 1/2 e to the 2x times 2x dx. So this will be 1/2 x squared e to the 2x minus 1/2, or actually 1/2 times 2 is just going to be 1. So times the integral of x e to the 2x dx. Now at this stage we can't integrate x e to the 2x because again what we have is the product of two functions. So what we would need is a second iteration of integration by parts. But what we already found in matched problem 1 is that this integral ends up becoming 1/2 x times e to the 2x minus 1/4 e to the 2x plus some constant c. So this result we already came up with. So if we didn't have that, we would apply integration by parts to this one more time. And to apply that integration by parts, again, we would let u equal x and dv equal e to the 2x dx. But since we already have that result, we know this is going to be 1/2 x squared e to the 2x, which is this original term out front, minus, now in place of this integral, we have this long result, 1/2 x e to the 2x minus 1/4 e to the 2x plus that constant c, or 1/2 x squared. And then if we distribute this negative symbol through, that'll become minus 1/2 x e to the 2x plus 1/4 e to the 2x plus that constant c.